In today's fast-paced world, healthcare analytics plays a pivotal role in understanding claim patterns and improving decision-making processes. This dashboard offers a comprehensive view of the trend analysis of claims for employees and their dependents, enabling businesses to identify patterns and make informed decisions. The first section, Time Trend Analysis of Claims for Employees, highlights the monthly distribution of claims. It helps identify peak months where claims are higher, aiding in resource planning and cost management. For instance, trend shows fluctuations throughout the year, with notable spikes in certain months like May and October. Next, the number of claims by week of the month provides insights into weekly claim trend. This data enables businesses to identify weeks with heightened claim activity, facilitating proactive planning for high-demand periods. For example, Week 3 consistently shows a significant number of claims compared to other weeks. Lastly, the time analysis of claims frequency by number of employees shows how claim frequencies vary across different months and employee groups. This analysis is valuable for identifying patterns in claim submissions by employees with varying needs, ensuring equitable and efficient claims handling. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.